Hello, Freedom here. Today we'll be doing a Scratch FPS tutorial. So, in this tutorial, what you'll be needing will all be coming from this project right here. FPS Tutorial Assets. And from here, you'll need to drag into your backpack, Weapon, Zombie, and Barrel. Now, create a new project and call it whatever you want. I'm calling it FPS Tutorial. As we go, this project will get increasingly more complex, I guess. I don't really know per se. So let's now get rid of the cat and drag in the 3 sprites. Now that that's done, what we'll need to do is go to the weapon and program it. When flag clicked, switch costume to idle, go to X0, Y -183. Forever if mouse down, then switch costume to fire, wait 0.2 seconds, switch costume to recoil, wait 0.2 seconds, switch costume to idle, wait 0.2 seconds. Let's try this out. Works nice. Now we'll import the sound. Put start sound DS pistol right before it switches to the firing frame. Like so, see? Now let's try this out. Alright, works very nicely. Now, let's go to the barrel sprite and program that. When flag clicked, go to X42, Y -80, and then a forever. Now, if key A pressed, then change X by 3. If key D pressed, then change X by -3. Now that that's done, let's give this a whirl. Okay. Switch the X's around so that D is change X by 3 and A is change X by -3. There, now that works better. So, now we'll program the zombie. So we'll do sets. Now, I want to do that. Set size. So when flag clicked, set size to 200%. Alright, now that that's done, let's drag say there. Yeah, right about there. Then go to X -40, Y -68. Now, basically, if you've done this right, you can set the size to like whatever percentage you want, to whatever you want, and drag it anywhere. And when the flag is clicked, it's back to 200% and right where it was. Now we'll do a hide block, then a forever block. Forever. Wait 1 second. Forever wait 1 second. Create clone of myself. Now what this is going to do is create a clone of the zombie. So, now that that's done, let's do this. when I start as a clone, go to X, pick random, negative 200, right, to 200, Y, negative 68. So let's see how this works. Oh wait, oops. Put a show when I start as a clone. As you can see, that's working perfectly. Now in the barrel sprite, what we'll want to do is go to back layer before the forever loop. So you could put it right after flags clicked or right after go to. It doesn't matter which way you do it. Now that the barrel is pretty much finished up, let's finish off with the zombie. Now that that's all done, switch costume to pause 1. Alright, so what you should have is when I start as a clone, switch costume to pause 1, show, go to X, pick random, negative 200 to 200, Y, negative 68. If you don't have that, pause the video and, do this. Finish? Alright, good. Let's continue. Forever. Now we'll take the barrel. Now we'll go into the barrel, and just to make this really simple, we'll just drag the two if statements. And this time, we'll do negative 5, 5. So let's see how this works. Alright, that works. Now in the weapon sprite, since the weapon looks like it's behind the enemies, we'll want to do a go to front layer in it when the flag clicked. So now, that happens. So now to finish things off, we'll go to the weapon, go to the costumes, and click on the fire costume. Now that we got that up, now we want to go to the zombie. If touching color red, then switch costume to pause 12. Don't worry about doing an animation or anything, just do pause 12. It's this frame right here. Here, the frame before the jibbing starts. Number 13 is the sprite number. And then delete clone. Wait 0.2 seconds. Delete clone. Delete this clone. Can't talk. So what you should have is a working zombie. There's not a whole lot to them, but it works fine for now. Now, we'll want to go to variables, make a variable score. That'll be the only variable we'll be making. In zombie, we'll want to put set score to 0. Then for this one, right before they delete the clone, change score by 1. Let's see how this works. Alright, so you pretty much got a shooting gallery right now, which is fine. But it looks a little weird with just a plain background. So let's go to our assets pack and drag in this one. Drag in the backdrop sprite. The backdrop. Go to backdrop and go to backdrops and put that in there. So now we've got something for our characters to exist in, so it doesn't look so weird. So, today's tutorial, you should have a working pistol, a working weapon I should say, a working prop, and a working zombie. It's all very primitive, there's nothing really special. You should also have a backdrop. So yeah, that's all for today's episode. If you liked it, subscribe. If you didn't like it, then don't subscribe if you don't want to. I do plenty of other things. So yeah, it's a working FPS tutorial. See you on the flip side, I guess.